I discovered 10 fantastic money-making apps, and I can't wait to share them with you guys. These online apps can help you earn over $100 daily, providing a digital toolkit for financial success. Whether you're a tech enthusiast or looking to boost your income, sit back and pay attention, as I promise you wouldn't want to miss any of them. Let's do this. Starting with the first app on our list, Pinata.ai is perfect for those currently renting their homes, apartments, or houses. It offers opportunities to earn rewards, get cash back on rent, and improve your credit score. Their tagline says it all. Pinata, the reward and credit building program for renters, let you earn rewards, save on everyday expenses, and get the credit you deserve for your largest monthly expense, your rent. You can install this free app on iOS or Android devices. However, it's important to note that it's designed specifically for renters. Now, let's delve into other apps with a broader audience that can help you earn online. Second on our list is StreetBees, which is all about making money online. StreetBees stands out as an engaging and entertaining app. With StreetBees, you can earn rewards by having conversations, answering questions, participating in surveys, and completing various enjoyable tasks. In my own testing of this app, I found it to be both entertaining and financially rewarding. Importantly, StreetBees is completely free to use and offers a great way to boost your income during your free time. Third on our list, available on the Google Play Store, is called Toloka. This app provides a range of simple tasks, including updating information, typing, labeling typos, assessing image quality, and basic photo moderation. By completing these straightforward tasks, you can earn a decent income. Toloka offers various payment options for user convenience and is entirely free to use. It's essential to keep in mind that, while it may not yield significant earnings on its own, combining it with similar apps can lead to more substantial income. Fourth on our list, Addapol. This platform operates similarly to its counterparts, allowing you to earn money by participating in various surveys. Since these apps offer similar earning potential, you can maximize your earnings by using multiple of them simultaneously. Imagine having 10 different survey apps designed for income generation. The cumulative effect can significantly increase your daily earnings. If one app alone earns you $3 a day, having 10 of them could potentially raise your daily income to a substantial $30. Fifth on our list, CashStars.com. Currently, they have closed their doors to new users, and you can only sign up for their waiting list. If you're fortunate enough to get accepted, once the app is officially released, you'll have the opportunity to get paid for various activities. These activities include watching videos, browsing Google, retweeting, liking content, playing games, and much more. CashStars offers a variety of ways to make money and is known for being one of the highest-paying platforms. However, please keep in mind that as of now, it's not accepting new users. Still, it's certainly worth considering if you can get in when they open their doors again. Sixth on our list, YouGov. You can easily find this app on both the Google Play Store and the App Store, making it accessible for both Android and iOS users. Simply install it for free, create an account, and you can begin earning money by completing surveys and answering questions. While the surveys offered here may not be the most exciting, they can still be a way to make some extra money during your free time. Seventh on our list, EasyBucks. The EasyBucks app takes an interesting approach to making money online by gamifying the process. It offers a variety of tasks for users to complete, including surveys, offers, and games. However, it's important to note that this app alone won't generate a substantial income. This is why I highly recommend combining it with other similar apps to increase your overall earnings. Relying solely on EasyBucks may result in earning just a few dollars here and there. Nevertheless, it's a great option to earn some extra cash in your free time, and I particularly appreciate how they've made the process of making money online a gamified experience. Eighth on our list, Multipulse. This survey app comes with a unique advantage. It doesn't just offer low-paying surveys, it features high-paying ones. You won't be earning mere cents for your efforts. In some cases, you can pocket a couple of dollars for answering just a few questions. Additionally, you have the flexibility to withdraw your earnings through PayPal or other available payment options. Ninth on our list, GoPinion. This app primarily focuses on surveys. While I'm not a huge fan of surveys personally because of the time and effort required to answer numerous questions, it's a viable option when you have some spare moments. Whether you're waiting in line or just have some downtime, GoPinion allows you to conveniently complete surveys and earn a few dollars from the comfort of your couch. 10th and final on our list is Earny. You can access this app by visiting Earny.com. Earny offers a unique approach to earning rewards related to your Amazon purchases. By connecting your Amazon account with Earny, you open the door to the possibility of earning up to $5,000 when you shop on Amazon. Some users have even shared success stories of making thousands of dollars using this tool. Earny operates on a ticket system, allowing you to participate in various competitions organized by Earny. While there's no guarantee of success, it's certainly worth giving it a shot as you build your arsenal of apps for making money online. And with that, I thank you for making this far to the end of the video. If you are hearing this, let me hear you say, "Let's do this," in the comments below. It goes to show that you are really trying to make a difference in your life. Hey, I am proud of you. Keep doing what you are doing, and I will see you real soon.